Last year was a tough year to launch a new website. And I had a new client who launched their website in April, kind of at the midst of everything. So it was really important that when that website launched that they would show up for some core products and services that they had. And one of their specialities, they didn't have a lot of content on that page, but they knew they wanted to drive more business to that specific area. So we put together a really aggressive strategy where we brought in the Be Smart method to make sure we had all the applications and the industries that would benefit from that specific service and all the materials as well that they would, have expertise in working with. And we were able to, bring in just so much business to that page for that specific service. And our clients was really grateful, again, during a time where a lot of people were having to lay off a lot of people. They actually saw a lot of growth that year.